Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back! It's your host Rocky here from the Pride is Right. We are so excited to see you. We have a new edition on the Pride is Right. This time it is called Welcome Back to School. It is now time for you to go 5 days a week, all day, every day. Everyone's so excited to see you and have you back.
Dude, sweet mullet.
I know, right?
Welcome back, guys.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Woohoo! Welcome back.
Welcome back, Cubs.
You're back, and I can make your hands clap.
Welcome back.
Welcome back, y'all.
Let's go. We have school. Yay! Woo! Welcome back. Good morning, Park Cubs. Today is Wednesday, April 17th, 2021. I'm Erica. Welcome to the Cub Report, your daily source of information about what is going on here at Park. The Cub Report is our way of letting students, staff, and family know everything that is going on here at Park and to create a better connection among everyone.
Not only is today our first full Wednesday, but it is also the first day of returning to our normal school schedule. From here on out, all students will be coming to school all day, every day from Monday through Friday. School will be 5 days a week from 8 through 2:35.
For today's lunch, there will be a choice between spicy chicken sandwich with tater tots or sun butter and jelly sandwich. For lunch tomorrow, there will be a choice between cheeseburger with french fries or chicken Caesar salad. And for lunch on Friday, there will once again be a choice between spicy chicken sandwich with tater tots or sun butter and jelly sandwich.
Lunch is a little different than it was last week. Instead of everyone eating in the cafeteria, half of you will be eating in the gym. Your teacher will bring you to lunch a few minutes early so that we can all show you and get used to what it's going to be like every day until the end of school. But here are a couple of videos to show you what you should expect.
For those of you that will be eating lunch in the cafeteria, you will be heading in just like normal.
So everybody's going to have an assigned seat, and we'll have a seating chart. So if you're number 4, you're number 4 every day, and if you're gone, we won't fill that seat. This will be your chair every day because you're going to be assigned to a seat. The lunch ladies will be bringing food by. You'll get your lunch. Oh, look, there's our lunch ladies now. Every day there should be a hot or a cold option. You can pick from one of the two. Hey, are you ready to go? Awesome. When you're ready to go, you raise your hand. We'll bring over a garbage can. You can throw your lunch away. And then you're going to grab a wipe and wipe down the chair so that it's clean for the next person. Awesome. You can throw the wipe in the garbage can. And then you can take your stuff and go outside.
And then for those of you that are coming to the gym, you'll be lining up outside on the blacktop, just like you do when you come into PE, but you'll be lined up by teacher. When you do come in, 6th graders specifically, you'll come in, you'll grab a chair off the rack here. Hopefully you'll know your lunch number, and you will find your number on the gym floor. If you're 1, you'll be in the far back left, but you'll come up and you will put your chair, the front right leg, on your specific number. You'll put your chair down, you'll sit down and wait for your food just like you've done in the cafeteria. When you're all done, you'll dump your trash. As we come around and bring the trash can to you, you'll wipe your chair and you'll head outside. Okay, 8th graders specifically, when you guys are done eating, you will wipe your chair, you'll dump your stuff. You're gonna end up picking up your chair and closing it, and you're gonna walk it up, and we're gonna put the chairs on the rack before you leave to head outside.
Hey guys, so we got some rules for outside when you come outside for lunch. So first of all, the boundaries. A lot of you don't know where the boundaries are outside. So you can only go as far as the portable. Think of there being an imaginary line from the portable all the way to the back out there. You can't go past the portable. Stay on this side of portable 2. You can go up to the rocks over there by the fence, but no further. And then over on this side, you can go up to the grass over there. But once again, think of there being an imaginary line from the edge of the exploratory building all the way down to the rocks by the fence. That's the boundary there. So this whole area right here is okay to be in. You just can't go past the portables or the exploratory hall. starting next week, you guys will have the option of checking out soccer balls. Soccer balls are going to be only sports equipment that you can check out, and this is how you're going to be able to check them out.
Miss Helper,
Yes,
can I check out a soccer ball?
absolutely. You just need to give me your ID badge. Put it right in here. See, it says soccer right here, so put your badge in the soccer area, and then you can grab a soccer ball. And then in order to get your ID back, you have to bring the soccer ball back.
Okay. Miss Helper, Miss Helper, Miss Helper. I need a mask break.
Well,
I can't breathe.
right here by the orange cones, there is a mask break area. You can go right in here inside this area here. Take off your mask. Take a break.
Miss Helper, I need a mask break.
Oh, of course, you can take a mask break right over here where the cones are, where Miss De La Barrera is. Just make sure that each of you is near a circle because those are 6 feet apart. So it goes without saying, all the other rules apply. There's no pushing, shoving, no play fighting, even if it's with your friend. If an adult comes up to you and tells you that you need to stop doing something, be respectful and listen to them. And let's just make everybody's time outside really great by following the rules and being respectful, and we'll all have a good time.
You guys will be out there until supervising staff lets you know if it's time to line up. When lunch is over, you guys are going to be lining up outside the building. There's going to be a spot for each teacher. You will go find that teacher's spot and line up. The teacher will be there waiting for you to take you into class. This will all get easier as you guys get to know exactly where they are. But for today, make sure you're looking for the teacher, and if you have any questions, ask any adult that you see. We should be able to help you in the right direction.
Today we have our ASB Meeting Minutes for April 2021. Last week in attendance we had Aileen Medina, our 6th grade representative, all our 7th grade officers, and Emily Gonzalez, our 8th grade president and or secretary. Today we do not have any of our 8th grade representatives, and we don't have Dayanari Quinones, our senator.
Hey, did you hear about the Kahoot game?
We are going to have a Kahoot game night on April 29th at 6 p.m. There will be a Zoom link created for each of the 3 Kahoot games. Zoom links will be shared starting Monday, April 26th through email. Each game will be about 45 minutes long. All games will be at the same time, so you will choose one of the topics. Kahoot games will be video games, sports, and fast food. These game topics were voted by students. One administrator and one ASB officer will host each game. Winners choose either a pizza to be given at the end of the school day the following Monday, or a treat basket, small gifts, toys, and candy. Top 2 winners from each Kahoot game will win prizes. 6 winners.
For our new business, 2021 and 2022 ASB officer elections are starting April 21st. So if you're someone that wants to help with the Cub Report, help with planning events for students, promote school pride and a positive school culture, help manage the ASB budget, and gain leadership experience, please consider running for ASB office. Make sure to watch the Cub Report for more information and reminders on the ASB elections. Our next ASB meeting will be at May 19th.
Hey you guys, we're really excited to announce that tutorial is starting up again. So what that means for those of you who don't know how it went last year is there are adults there who are there to help you with your schoolwork. So if you're failing classes, or if you just need some extra help with some work, or if you just need a quiet place to work, we have the school here available from right after school until 3:45. And if you stay, then we need you to stay the whole time. You will come every day if you would like, or you can come once a week, or you can come twice a week. You and your parents and your teachers can kind of work that out, but this is a place that you can come and get some help with your work. We will also provide snacks, and there's just people here that want to help you and want to see you succeed. So if this is something you might be interested, talk to one of your teachers. You can come find me. You can ask pretty much any adult and they will be able to point you in the right direction. We're just really excited to be offering this again, and we hope to see you guys at tutoring.
If you are in choir club, don't forget that practices are every Tuesday and Thursday from 2:40 to 3:20. Our quote of the week is do the right thing even when no one is looking. Remember, if you have any thoughts or suggestions for the Cub Report, send your ideas to bit.ly/parkcubReport_submission. Have a great week, and remember, all children are capable, says no exceptions. Have a great day.